Welcome to the IxD series Sauce Plus Sauce Dispenser, How to Assemble and Set Up video. Unbox all components and remove components from the bin. Pre-wash lid and bin prior to assembly. Plug the AC plug cable into the power supply brick and then into the back of the unit. The AC cord must be plugged into the unit first before plugging into an outlet. As the screen powers on, you will be prompted through a series of startup screens. Select the connection type, choose the network, and add the password. If you are not connected to Wi-Fi, set the date and time. Select the measurement type, and choose whether you will bank multiple units together or not. Next, select the default setup and you will be prompted to start the cleaning process. Follow the on-screen prompts or refer to our cleaning video for additional information. When cleaning is complete, auto-forward to the next screen and select sauce thickness, sauce type, and then portion sizes. Fill the bin with sauce, place the lid on the bin, and slide the bin into the unit. Place a container under the dispense point and hold the prime button until product dispenses. Your Sauce Plus sauce dispenser is now ready to operate. Any questions? Please contact our customer care team.